ready to transform your phone calls with the power of AI. First, open up Twilio.com and make sure that you're signed into your account. If you haven't created a Twilio account already, do so now, and make sure you also have a Twilio phone number. Next, head over to Retell.ai. If you don't have an account, easily create one once you are logged in. Go to the Integrations or Phone Numbers section within your Retell dashboard. Inside the Integrations area, you should see an option to connect with Twilio. Select to connect your Twilio phone number and integration. Retell will now prompt you to link your Twilio account. You will need your Twilio account SID and Auth token. This information can be found within your Twilio account dashboard. You will copy and paste it into the matching fields in Retell. Go back to your Twilio dashboard, find your account SID and Auth token displayed in the dashboard. Be very careful when you copy and paste those credentials. Ensure you copy exactly what is displayed. After copying the Twilio account SID and Auth token to Retell, the system should be connected. The next step is to configure your number with Retell. Here you can define how you want your calls to be managed. Now, go back to Twilio and find the phone number that you want to connect with Retell in your number's configuration. You'll need to update either the voice configuration, which enables the Retell AI to receive your calls. Pointing the voice to Retell will allow our AI to handle your phone calls. Be sure to save your configuration. And that's it. Your Twilio phone number is now successfully integrated with Retell AI. You can now start receiving and making calls through Retell AI and streamline your communications. Have fun.